Well, hello everybody.
From our YouTube room.
We are at home in Omaha, Nebraska. We are coming to you because we finally, after 3 months of waiting,
have our April
Tokyo Kawaii bag or box. So this is going to be, I don't even know what number we're on. I think it may be 12, 13.
something. We also have an announcement. Should we just say it or should we wait till the middle?
No, actually we're going to wait and prolong it even further. And a video coming soon, you'll hear a grand announcement. We're just waiting to tell you. Comment down below what you think it's going to be.
Hello, hi, and welcome. If you haven't said so already, thank you so much for checking us out. We love doing these. We are not sponsored.
No.
We tell you how it is, if we like it or if we don't like it. He is running behind. It's TokyoKawaiiClub.com. It's all done by Michael.
Yeah.
He picks everything out. He has a quiz and all that great stuff. All the information is down in the description. We'll put it down there.
Yep.
Or you can go to TokyoKawaiiClub.com. Check out his Facebook, everything else. He has a lot of social media. I know we say it a lot. I hate repeating it. But don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and let us know what you guys like. If you've ever done Tokyo Kawaii or anything like that. Like Amber was saying, he is running behind, and it's not because he is doing it. It's the mail system. It's actually coming by boat. It's not coming by air. So that stinks. It takes, he's saying 2 to 3 months. So
or longer.
Or longer. Yeah. So without further ado,
whose turn is it?
I don't know. I lost count.
Okay, we'll take turns.
Yeah. Well, the second camera. So this is our 4th or 5th video of having 2 cameras, and this time the camera's facing me, so that means I get a show.
Or I can move over.
So we never open it. We only open it on camera with you guys.
See, we showed you. We have not opened it just now.
And then make sure. And then he puts it in a bag, so we have no idea what it's like. What's in there.
Look at the mini on the other side.
Yeah. And it says Tokyo Kawaii. I don't know if you can see it.
Tokyo Disney Resort?
Yeah, Tokyo Disney.
You said Tokyo.
I know. So we're only down to 1 light. We couldn't get the other one set up, so sorry for a little bit of the shadows. But without further ado, we bring to you Tokyo Kawaii. Got it? See? It's like, oh, okay. I thought it should be more like, woo!
We've been out all day, so.
This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So we have soap and shampoo.
Oh, I could take it. Or you can take it when you travel.
Well, you have a trip coming up, so you're going to have to fill that up with some soap. Oh, it has Ariel.
This is super cool. I like this. He knows that. Well, he knows that Brian likes Ariel. Yeah,
so one of the things that I know we always constantly repeat it, but Michael does a really good job of contacting you and get to know what you guys like, what you guys want, and then he kind of goes with that. And he has a really good memory. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he maintains it, but he does a really good job of knowing what you want or what your favorites are. Like, for instance, he knows Miss Amber loves Chip and Dale.
Yay!
I don't know what it is.
Ah, how cute! Look at the blush on his cheeks.
You're gonna have to open that.
Cute. Ah! Let's see. Oh! It's like a collection of stuff.
It's not focused. There it goes.
See, look it. It's a collection. Let's see.
What is it? Oh my god.
Look at how cute!
Just open it already!
Hold on! I don't think it is Chip or Dale.
No, it isn't.
It's not. I showed in the back, but oh no, it's Piglet.
Oh, that's cool. That's candy. In their one hand.
This is candy?
Yep, that's candy. But what is that? Huh.
Wait.
Oh, it's
Oh,
like
it spins, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's a topper. That's really cool.
I mean, Piglet's alright, and I know you guys are gonna hate on me for that, but that's him.
You have to go the other way.
Oh!
It's on the ground.
It comes with a little candy. I think it's a candy.
Oh my god, I peeked. Oh my god.
Ryan cheated.
So, hold on.
This is another collection.
So, we have Mickey and Minnie.
Quite a few.
Zoom in the kimonos. Try not to throw them.
You show them. I think they saw that we got this last time.
Now we have. You're gonna die. I swear to God, you're gonna die.
Why?
Ready?
Yeah.
It's business casual Mickey.
No! Oh! This is my real reaction. Look at it.
Wait. Look to the side. He has a satchel.
Oh my god! That is so adorable. Pardon my squeaking, but look, he even has like.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Oh, that's so adorable.
That means I really hope for Maze it has Minnie in it. Could you imagine?
We have so much of this collection. Like, holy cow.
I'll be honest with you. When we first got Zooms, we didn't
were
like them.
not into it. We were just like, what is this?
Yeah. So thank you, Michael. For real.
Yay! I'm excited about it so far. We waited for a very long time for this one.
And I'll let you do the honors because his note to you is in it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Looks like a Kleenex bag. That's what Mickey's doing anyway.
Power of Terror. Guess what? You rule. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then.
So with every box that he makes for you, he writes a letter to you or a little note to you. That's pretty cool.
It has like a little zipper. You could probably use this like as a coin purse because then you can see your coins. Or if you collect the pennies.
Oh yeah, you can do that too.
Because it'll be kept in like it's pretty decent.
Yeah. He also puts in a card for the Tokyo Disney store.
But they only ship to
Japan. You have to have a Japanese address.
But it's cool to have though. And look at the QR code is in the back. Look how cute.
I'm peeking.
That's why he doesn't get to open.
Well, you're gonna love this one anyway. So it's a handheld with Tink.
Oh, that's pretty.
Open it up. Show everyone.
Okay.
It's right here. You can do it the hard way.
That was it. So in Japan they carry hand towels because they don't have like paper towels or anything.
Yeah.
That's like an ombre.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like it.
And it's embroidered. Like, look how cool that is.
That's not cheap at all.
No, this is nice. What would this be for? For a little tea?
Yeah.
Oh, look it. Like if you hold it like that, look.
Well, that's neat.
That's so cute.
Last and certainly not.
Certainly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Not least. We have what looks to be a tote. Let's see for sure. It is.
We have the 50th too.
Yeah.
In Disney with all those totes. Put all the trash over there.
Oh wow, this is really nice. This is really good. So you can. Oh, this is like for like if you get like produce and stuff.
Or if you travel in the car.
Joke's on me. It says lunchbox.
No, but like you can use it for that.
Yeah.
Like if you travel in the car, like you can use it as like a snack bag.
It's That's really cool.
Or like you said, like take it with you to the parks, and if you have produce, you can take it to your room. Right?
Yeah. I like it. It's really cool, and it even functions as a handle too.
Is it tied? No.
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, it does. No.
Yeah, because it snaps right here.
It snaps. Okay, but how do you carry this?
You just unsnap it.
Oh, okay. See, so then you can carry it like this, but you put that to, but you snap it like here to keep it closed. But it has
I
that.
like it. Now we just need a lunchbox.
That's a big lunchbox. You could take it to work.
Yeah, I've actually
Because you've had stuff
when I travel, what I end up doing is taking whatever grocery bag that I got.
But then you don't remember it.
No.
So, but I hope you don't forget that at work.
I know, that would suck.
That's so cool.
I like it. It's really cool.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
5
items.
We love doing this. We had to put a pause on it, but I am glad. We're so thankful for Tokyo Kawaii. During the pandemic, this really helped us kind of get through, not be able to go out shopping, not be able to do a lot of things.
Going to the parks as much.
And it gave us more videos to give to you guys because it was hard to go.
But not only that, it just makes you want to go to Tokyo, to go to Disney, to go to Universal and all that great stuff.
For sure.
So like in the back of your mind, like, oh, I could get this cute stuff over there. I could buy all this different stuff. Then you look on YouTube. Subscribe!
So, yeah. Oh, so we are trying to plan a trip to Disney during Christmas time. We're not sure what year. As you know, everything gets hectic for everybody. So we're just trying to do our best to get to that point. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. We do have a couple playlists for Tokyo Kawaii, so you can go back and look at the different ones that we've had. They're a
Some
lot
are
of fun.
longer than others.
Yeah.
Don't think we're not excited, because we truly are. Every time we are surprised. We don't know what we're getting. We are very excited. The holiday's coming up, so you might hear some booms here and there. You might be able to tell by shirts and stuff. But it's just been really crazy, and then with our big announcement coming up, that's kind of taken a lot of our time.
Yeah.
But we are very, very excited.
We are.
And we love these, and we love you, Fam Bam. Thank you guys so much for everything that you have done for us.
Yeah, definitely. You guys are exceeding all of our expectations, and we can only thank you so much. I mean, I don't know what else we can do. I know, don't even say it, because I know you're like, giveaway!
Or leave a comment!
Yes. We're getting close to announcing a few cool things for this channel and for our community, but we're not there yet, and we need your help. So definitely share this video with everybody. Let your family know that we're really cool and that we're really exciting, because we travel and we get to do things that maybe it's out of your comfort zone. It's definitely out of mine, for sure. So
yeah, you guys push us out of our comfort zone, which is so cool. Also, if you go to Tokyo Kawaii, just let Michael know Brian and Amber sent you, or Echo Travel Adventure sent you. We don't get kickbacks.
No.
We just like sending him some more new members, and you guys getting some really cool merch and other stuff too.
And even if he were to offer kickbacks, we wouldn't accept it, just because it's just, he's so cool. He's so awesome. We've
done it for like a year.
Yeah, and even before then, we did a few times before we even had YouTube. So, but yeah, and by the time we post this, it will be our 5th year on YouTube.
Yikes.
So, but thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. We really do appreciate every single one of you. We really do, from the bottom of our heart. Even though maybe our inflection doesn't show it, but we really are excited and thankful for every single one of you. But guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.